Hello, I will now make a presentation about my STEAM online education with Microbit. My name is Daisuke Suzuya, and I am an elementary school teacher. And I'm also the leader of Type T, which is the non-profit organization to spread programming education in Japan. I'm also Microbit Champion 2021. In Japan, the Tokyo Olympics were held. However, the COVID-19 is still going on. Therefore, I plan to hold an online event. I would like to talk about what I noticed in doing the event online and how STEAM education can be done well. The second question, can we do online STEAM education? The answer is of course yes, but there are some keys to solve them. The first key is expansion board called TFWLT2 by T4Works that combines the speakers and 8 neopixels. The second key is default tile. With this service, we can remotely monitor the status of the children's screens. This allows us to help them even when the program does not work as intended. The third key is fun activities. If the activity is not fun, the children will not be willing to do it. This time, the goal was to make Halloween lanterns, since Halloween was coming up. And we actually did it. This time, with the help of Lenovo, we were able to deliver the event at the space in Akihabara. We used Zoom for the session, and T4 Tile also worked well. Only my example is a bad one. So, what was the result? Please watch the video.
今日のゴールはマイクロビットと工作を組み合わせて、ハロウィンランタンを作ろう。ストリップを赤色に点灯するっていうのがあるんですけど、これをずっと2個目の中に入れた後、さらに基本から一時停止、こちらを下にくっつけます。
Please look children's words.
ハロウィンのお化け。あ、すごい。かわいい。
ジャコランタン。
お、すごっ。上手だね。
ハロウィンパーティーです。
ハロウィン何？
パーティー。
パーティー。
かぼちゃの
ランタンね。ちゃんと名前がありました。はい。
They makes their works about 15 minutes.
そうですよ。塗りたかったんだよね、そこね。わかる。そうですよね。堀さんお願いします。あ、これはかなりすごいですね。
半分青いパンプキン。
半分青いパンプキン。なるほどね。もう見てよくわかりました。
図工の先生をやっているもみじです。私の作品もぜひ見てください。
さすがですね。はい、こちらも拍手をお願いします。
Okay, as a result, here is a summary of this presentation. 1. Microbit can also be used for online STEAM education. 2. Children love activities that make something right up. Number 3. Children having fun on creating works of art without the barriers between programming and crafts. Thank you for listening.